If you're an FMFCU business member, it's easy to deposit batches of checks from the comfort of your home or office using Franklin Mint Federal Credit Union's Business Anytime Deposit. Here's how it works. To begin a new deposit, simply log in to FMFCU online banking. As a security tip, remember, never share your secure access code with anyone. Once logged in, go to the main menu and tap Transactions. And then tap Business Anytime Deposit. Tap the Start a New Deposit button. Then select the account you want the funds to be deposited into. Give the deposit a description, which can be helpful for your records. Input the check quantity and batch total. Next, make sure all paper clips and rubber bands are removed from the check batch and place the checks neatly inside the check scanner. They should all be facing to the right. When you're ready, tap Start Scan. Once the scan is complete, look for any errors. Review the batch total quantity and dollar amount. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, tap Submit. Then tap Complete Deposit. After the deposit is complete, you have the ability to send an email containing a receipt to the appropriate person. You can also access a history of your deposits. Simply click a deposit to see an itemized list. Tap the magnifying glass icon to view a copy of the check. Reports can also be downloaded for a date range that you specify. The options are Deposit Summary, Check Detail, or Check Detail with Images. To learn more about Business Anytime Deposit or for instructions on how to enroll, visit fmfcu.org/businessanytimedeposit.